Hey, this is going to be a video showing y'all how to use the station tracker feature of CAD. So if you have a profile made and you have your whatever you're profiling shown on your second viewport, you can just click your profile, go to the top, station tracker, all viewports. And now as you go along the profile, you can see the blue line that's going up and down your alignment. You can do the same thing if you go all the way up and down that sewer line. You can also go into the station tracker options and customize how you want that line to look in terms of color and thickness.